everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. It is Sunday morning. I'm kicking off outfit of the day. What I wore, you get a week of outfits, you get lots of puppies, you get PA weather and a bit of life in there. It is a rainy morning. 65 is getting up to 71, but pretty much rain is in the forecast today, which is okay. I have stuff to do, so it'll keep me in the house getting stuff done. It's going to be a really busy week for me. I am traveling tomorrow. Typically for work, I will go on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, but no, this time it's Monday and I'll be there through Thursday. So lots of things to pack this time. I have a video I want to get done for you guys. I need to organize the house while I'm gone. So it'll be a busy day. And for my outfit, I went uber comfy. I have on the AG ex-boyfriend denim short I got in a Trendsend last year. Paired it with this adorable Z Supply top I got in a Wantable this year. And then my flip-flops, these cute little gold Dolce Vita sandals that I love, and they're super comfy. For my shoes. For jewelry, I have on a Ana Luisa necklace. I have on these fun, I think these are actually from the Loft. These are super cute little sparkly earrings since I didn't put on a lot of jewelry, and just a small bracelet stack. And I think I am ready for my day. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow bright and early. Hey everybody, it is Monday morning already, and it is pitch black outside. It is 4:45 in the morning. I'm actually making really good time this morning. And let's see, it's going to be rainy today. A high of 78, low of 63. And I'll be inside all day. All right, so for outfit of the day today, I have on, let's see, a dress from Z Supply that I got in a JB Stylebox. I have on an Ichi blazer from Wantable. I have on my second pair of these awesome Dolce Vita shoes. Remember, the other pair were eaten by the puppies. And for jewelry, my bracelet stack, you'll see this all week now. I'm not bringing extra jewelry. I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, my new Louis necklace, gold hoops. I think I'm ready to go. Yep, that's it. I'm going to hit the road. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. 7 a.m., 65 degrees out, but getting up to 80 today. It's raining and thunderstorming right now at the moment, but I think it's going to get nicer later in the day. For my outfit, I have on AG denim. This is the AG Brindley I got at the Ever Eve store. I have on just a white loft tank and then this cute little top from White House Black Market. Check out my shoes. Love these so much. These are from Dolce Vita. I got them from, I think I got these from Nordstrom. I love them. Hopefully they're a little bit higher. Hopefully I'll be good today. And then I did grab a blazer to put on top of this. I have lots of vendor meetings today. This one is by White House Black Market. I have on the same jewelry as yesterday. I think that's it. I'm off. All right, well, I already feel like I've been here quite some time and I'm not even halfway through yet. It'll be a crazy busy week. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It feels like it's much later in the week for me, so even when I said Wednesday, it didn't sound right, but it is Wednesday. It is 61 degrees out, getting up to 81. All sun today. I will be inside. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I have on an Ever Eve dress. You may remember from my Ever Eve dress haul. Paired it with a jacket that I got so long ago in a Trendsend. I think it was one of my very first Trendsends. I love this, just a great blazer. And then Dolce Vita little kitten heels, because I'm going to be doing a lot of walking today, I think. Well, I'm probably just going to be a long day. And then the same jewelry that I had on all week. Nothing changed. So that is my outfit today. guess I'm ready. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It's been so beautiful all week and I've been inside. It always works out that way, right? So 64 degrees right now, getting up to 86 today. So it is going to be beautiful. And for my outfit today, I chose the Rails pants from my latest Trendsend. I love these, there's something about them. As well as the Sanctuary vest from my latest Trendsend. I did put a white tank on underneath, and I grabbed my white Ichi blazer from a Wantable to top it all off. I have on the same jewelry I have been wearing all week. And for shoes, I chose another pair of Dolce Vita. These have the fun little thin strap and the small heel. So hopefully that works for me all day, but I did throw flats into my bag just in case I can't take it because it's been 4 days of solid heels and a lot of walking and a lot of sitting. So hopefully it's okay for today. And that is my outfit. All right, tomorrow is Friday. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. I made it back. It is muggy, rainy, no rain, rain, no need. It's supposed to pretty much rain throughout the entire weekend. I'm out of breath because I was just running around with the puppies who are all here. If you can see them. I gave them treats to try to keep them quiet. And we have to catch up on all of my videos so far this week. So it looks like on Monday, my CABI posted. So I hope you check that one out because the CABI bras are the absolute best. It's like you're not wearing anything, only better. Like it's fabulous. So do check out that video. I have a discount code for you. Plus they have sales going on. It's awesome. And then on Wednesday, my Trendsend posted. And I was just double checking. But it was my second keep all box. I kept everything. I loved it. I thought it was a fabulous box. I could have returned like the bracelets maybe. But overall, I thought it was a great box and I just kept it all. And then tomorrow, my JB Stylebox is posting. And since you won't see this until the day after, I'm going to share with you what I'm keeping from that as well so I don't forget. So it was an awesome collection, as always, by my stylist. But I did not keep that little black, like, wrap top. I did not keep I did ask for the larger size in the red pants. They still didn't fit. They were very odd for me. Didn't fit. I did not keep that little tank. It's just a lot for me. I did keep the cream jacket, the denim jacket. I thought it was adorable. And I kept these shoes. I love those. I did keep the white Free People tank. And I think that was it. The jacket, the Free People tank, the shoes, and I think that was it. I don't think I kept the jeans. I don't think I kept those because I don't think they fit. Yeah, they didn't fit. Or I didn't like them, but I didn't keep them. That's it. All right, for today, I have on a Z Supply outfit. So I was exhausted. I got home late. My dad had an issue. I had to go out there. Just the whole thing. So when I got this morning, I was dragging. So I grabbed a comfy pair of pull-on shorts from Z Supply with the matching little crop jacket. I love this. It's in a comfy knit. And I got those straight from the Z Supply site. Put on a tank also from Z Supply. This one came from a Front Door Fashion. Threw on just a navy blue bralette underneath it. Just because that's what I do. And for shoes, I have on flip-flops. These are by Dolce Vita. Then I put on my bracelet stack from Trendsend. And my necklace is Gorjana. Someone's choking back there. I just have gold hoops on, and that's my outfit today. And I think you're all caught up. You're a little bit ahead now. All right, I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey, everybody. It is Saturday. I had to think about it for a minute. It is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day this week. It is a little overcast. It's raining today. It's supposed to rain for like the next 12 days or something. Hopefully we get pockets in there. But it's 69 degrees, getting up to 76. And the puppers are all here. They are enjoying breakfast. Keeps them quiet, right? And for my outfit today, I have on a dress from Z Supply. I have on Sam Edelman shoes, sandals I just got in a Stitch Fix you haven't seen yet. I like the little fabric. Yeah, so I did an all black and white moment. I have on my Louis necklace, gold hoops, a very small bracelet stack this time because I was hurrying a bit. And that's my outfit. And that's a wrap. I will list all my outfits down below as always. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes. Please use my links if you want to sign those up. It really helps me keep on going. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Please share your favorite outfit this week. It was quite varied. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.